presenting two new gorgeous styles from the new Belle Madame line hot off the press, courtesy of Continental Wigs UK. First one up is Leonora Mono Super Front. She's absolutely spectacular. Let's take a look at this gorgeous density as it moves so effortlessly. This is in the color Champagne Mixed Roots. Let's take a look. She has an impeccable lace front and beautiful rooting. She's for a petite head, as small as 19 inches to 21.25, as it is geared towards hair loss. Well, without further ado, Amber, my friend, take it away.
Wow, Michelle, I am loving that Leonora Mono SF on you. That is an amazing wig with great length and a great color as well. This cute shorty that I'm showing you is called Kira Mono SF Plus in the color Silverstone. The plus means that this super front is extended from ear to ear. It's an amazing lace front, very sheer and beautiful. This has a monofilament top and open wefted back for breathable ventilation and keeping it nice and light. Just like you said, Michelle, hot off the press, Continental Wigs UK has this style along with your style and all the wonderful new styles by Belle Madame available at their store. They also have many other brands and styles available as well. You guys will have to check out Continental Wigs and use the code FABFREE or RUBENFREE to get free shipping on your order. Well, what do you guys think of these new styles by Belle Madame? Let us know. Comment below. Okay, we'll see you later.